Alright, good day everyone. My name is Clayton Vincent and I will be making a video. It will be short but it will be good and very nice. So on Sunday I didn't have the luxury of making a video which I wasn't happy about, but I I was able to cover up for it. So today I want to be talking about like the peers that I'm looking at. I wasn't able to put the peers out, but I think I can we can still look at it together. Today is Tuesday. I have, sorry guys, let me delete this and this. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 11 pairs, but I'll be rushing through them because I don't like when my video is more than 10 minutes. Okay, so the first pair will be GBP AUD. Why do I want to trade the GBP AUD? Because it's very simple, very simple. If you look at the weekly time frame, it is going down, so that's why I like it. Secondly, why am I really interested in AUD USD? It's simple. It's also simple. GBP AUD rather. It's that even on the daily time frame, we are having a kind of like a pullback to this zone, and if you look at it well on the daily time frame, it is not really pushing up, it is not really an uptrend, yes, but internal structure wise it is going down. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to just sell when it gets here. I'm going to sell when it gets here. So that's what I'm looking for, although it has not, it's giving more of like a break and retest than a trend line break retest, a trend line break retest, a key level break retest, not a break and retest. I'll explain them in a bit. So that's one for GBP AUD. The second one we'll be looking at will be what, GBP card. Yes, GBP card. GBP card will be almost as similar as GBP AUD, with just little difference. Yes, little differences. I'm so sorry guys, I don't know why it's okay. Little differences. GBP card is going down. See, structural wise, sorry guys, so I wanted to just show you structural wise it is going, it was creating this, but it broke it here, came back here, and broke it here. So structural wise, GBP card is selling. So I wanted two things to happen. Yeah, I wanted that on the daily time frame, is either it bounced off the weekly level, but if it's not able to bounce off the weekly level, then on the daily time frame, it should bounce off up a daily key level, which honestly I was waiting for it. I'm so sorry guys, I don't know why it's taking time to load. Honestly, I do not know. I think let me just try and restart. Is it okay? See, it's loading now. So if you look at it here, it has broken. It did not come to retest here. I'll remove this, and now I'm saying okay, price should at least retest here before pushing to the downside. So I'm looking for any form of reaction here. If it suits me, I will enter. If it doesn't suit me, I will not enter. So let's go to enough of the GBPs. Let's go to the EUR card. EUR card. Why are you this one too was going down? If you notice, it is going down. It just has there was a long bullish candlestick, and also I get the trade, but as it stands now, it is going down. As it stands now, it is going down. So what I was expecting here was a push to the downside, I guess. Yes, push to the downside, but I'm not seeing any push to the downside. Although another thing that I can take a look at from here, that's if it breaks, if candlesticks break here, which might be hard. It might be it will be hard, but I would have loved that my rejection would have been off of here. But let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So that's it. Then we'll not be going to EURCHF. EURCHF is very, very beautiful. Beautiful, guys. EURCHF, it's two things. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, we can see that this is at the lowest position. EURCHF is just going down. It's not looking to stop. So there are plenty of reasons why I'm taking this trade though, but I'm giving just little reasons. That would be for my Discord. So it's going down. There's an area of interest. If you can see here, there is an inverted head and shoulder here. It has broken it, so we are expecting it to come back to the neckline before it shoots up, shoot down. So I'm quietly and gently waiting for it to happen. Yeah, and from there we can also be taking a re-entry on minor key levels, which will be the daily key levels. So that's what I've been like expecting. Well, I won't lie, I've been expecting it, but I haven't seen it. So we are still waiting patiently. Another one again that we'll be talking about is AUD USD. AUD USD is just very simple. We're waiting for a break and a retest, which is happening, but I do not like this break and retest, so I'm not interested in it. Another one again that I'm interested in will be AUD card. AUD card has given me a break and retest, but I'm waiting for a bullish candlestick engulfing before on daily time frame before I can step in, just to show me that buyers, have taken in, are in control of the market to some extent. While this one also, AUD I'm waiting for a buy, just to show me that buyers also are in control. While this is one trade that I want to take and I want to talk about very quickly. So now if you look at it on the weekly time frame, you see two things. The weekly time frame is that it is rejecting off EMAs. It's rejecting off EMAs, and the EMAs to some extent just clicked together, like touched each other. So, and it is rejecting off EMA, and it is rejecting off a wait though. Because I've been looking at this pair. Yes, I've been looking at this pair for a very long time, because I was like, what's happening? Okay. So, okay, this is it here. Alright. So it's still the same thing to some extent. So it's alright. Wait. So sorry guys. I'm trying to draw my zones well, and sometimes that's one of the downside about this my style. Your zones has to be very, very good. Alright, let me remove this. Yes, this zone is actually good. This one is actually good. So, well, I won't lie, I'm a little bit, I do not really like what I'm seeing here, and I'll tell you why. Okay, see it here. Okay, so this is a break and retest. So I'm waiting for it. Once a break and retest happen here, then I'll be comfortable in selling. But for now, I'm not comfortable. But I'm looking to sell it down here. So let's go to USD card. USD card also is one beautiful trade. So what happened? USD card, if you look at it from the weekly time frame, you'll see that. Don't worry, I'll do a private video, like a video personally for just explaining how I trade. Even if it's not going to be in depth, it's going to give you a back end. And with my weekly Zoom meeting call, like what I'm doing now, you should know how I trade. And it's very, very simple. So if you look at this trade, why am I taking this trade? Sorry guys. Well, let's see. If you look at it here, it was going down, it was going down, it was going down, and it was going down. Then it got here. Actually, this is not even a trade. Yes, this is not even a trade, because from here it's looking like an inverted head and shoulder. Okay, so my bad. I'll remove this. This is not a good trade. But structural wise, it's not going out. So I think I've been able to explain, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao, guys. Peace out. And yes, I love you. I love you. I love you. And stay blessed, stay focused, and I pray that God help us to do so. Thank you so much, guys.